welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about my ears. Now for the past about 2 years I have just had this thing where I like to wear my ears every day, like different color animal ears. It's just been my thing, and reason why is just, you know, I'm an only child, and I always say I like to entertain my mind. I like to entertain myself, so I do stuff for me because, you know, it's just so much fun. And then, like, why not have fun with the things that you do? And you know what? On a side note, I've been wanting to talk about this with somebody for so long. So I finally finished. I mean, it has nothing to do with my ears. I just want to talk about it. But I finally finished watching The Wheel of Time on Prime. And no one watches it in my household. And I don't know anybody else that watches it. So I can't talk about it to anybody. And it's just driving me crazy. So if you watch it, comment down below so we can discuss. But if you don't watch it, I'm going to try not to give away any spoilers if you haven't seen it yet, so you don't have to click off of it. But I just want to say one thing. Season 1, well, two things. Season 1 was good, but it wasn't as good towards the end, because you know how series begin? The first season is not as good because they always do the character development, the backstory, and it's just a lot of drawn on storylines. But then once you understand the character's background, then that's when the action starts. So end of season 1 was great, and that came out like what, a year and a half ago? It was so long ago. And then season 2 finally came out, so I had to, because it took so long for season 2 to come out, I had to rewatch season 1. Then I was on to season 2. So I was watching season 2, and it's this part in the scene, and I was like, no, Egwene, do not pick up the cup. And I was like, don't do it, Egwene, keep fighting. And she picked up the cup. And then I was like, and then the way that the actor in that film portrayed that moment of fighting, not wanting to pick up the cup, but had to pick up the cup for her survival. And you saw the struggle on her, like, on her face. Like, she did a great job, the actress did. Like, the struggle she showed, portrayed through the screen, was amazing. Because I don't want to give away anything away. You have to see it, because you understand why she didn't want to pick up the cup and why she had to. If you see it, you know why. If you saw it, comment down below so I can talk to somebody about it. I'm just dying to talk to somebody. I have no one to talk to about it. Okay, calm down. So now I watched all of season 2, and I can't wait for season 3, but it won't come out to 2025. So that means when it comes out again, I'm gonna have to rewatch season 1 and season 2 to refresh my memory. But I don't know why I didn't put 1 and 1 to make 2 together. There are books. There are books about this. 15 books. Now, if they're doing 15 seasons and they're at this pace of putting out a season, my kids will be grown by the time they at the 15th season. Why did it take so long? Well, they say, like, oh, online it says it's taking so long because they're working on The Lord of the Rings. Well, I'm like, come on, you can do 2 things at once. Come on, fine. Anywho. So, I'm in the middle of reading a great book right now, so I don't want to interrupt my train of thought for that book. But I don't want to buy it yet either, because I don't know if it's good. Because Game of Thrones, phenomenal show. Fantastic show. Could not get into the books. I started reading the books. It was incredibly boring. It was drawn out. Mind you, I didn't finish the first book. So maybe the first book is like a first season, and I just had to stick through it in order to get to the good part, but I just couldn't. So I didn't. I know the books are probably really good. I imagine they are really, really good because the shows are fantastic, but I just couldn't. It was another series that I read. The book wasn't good, but the show was good, but I couldn't get into it. But anyway, I'm going to go to the library. I'm going to rent the book, and then I'm going to read it. And then by the time I get to the 15th book, season 2 will be out. So I have to wait for that. Anyway. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now I'm done talking about that. Let's get on to the reason I did the video. Okay, unbox. So, like I said, I've been wearing my ears for a couple of years, and I've just had, I keep looking back and forth because my husband keeps coming in here. He's distracting me. The one that you wore yesterday? Yeah. The turban? Yeah. It wasn't the one that you're playing with it?
It's not a turban, but yeah.
Well, I don't know what to call it.
So what's it called?
I don't, well, you need a headscarf for it. Just put on.
I'm trying to look cute.
You are cute. I just did your hair yesterday. Okay, bye. I love you. Okay. Here we go. So, this one's from Agimo. It's true. Look at this cute little box. Look, it's like it has like a little bow on here, and this is how it looks. This was on sale for $17.99. Yes, I know. It's my ears. And when you open it, it comes like this. So it comes with the ears. I got gray this time. So it comes with these cute little ears. How cute are these? And it comes with the pigtail comb and this card. Now this is a great, this is a great packaging. It's a thank you card. Thank you for your order. I'm not going to read it, but it's really cute. Look how cute is that. Now this is great marketing. Great, yeah, great marketing. Like, it makes you want to buy it again because of the cute box, and they thought about the card and all that stuff. So, here are the ears. I'm always drawn to like fox and like cat ears or whatever. I don't even like cats, but I like the ears. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute those are. These are so adorable. I always have to put like a hairpin down here to keep that down. But oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them. Okay. I can't wear them today because I'm washing my hair today. Oh man, these are so cute. Okay, calm down. Take it down. Let's move on to the next one. The next one. Who is this from? Hayogan? This one's cute too. I got these from the same company. So I got my red ears from the same company. So, here's how this looks. And then, there's the ears. In the back. And this one also comes with its own comb. Which is very handy because when you wear these enough, they get matted. Like, look at that. You see how it gets matted? You have to comb that out comparing to this. Because they start out like this. But the more you wear it, they get matted, so you have to comb it out. Okay, let's try on the other ones. Oh, look at those. I'm always skeptical about like having white on my ears, especially at the bottom. I mean, it's because look, like comparing because this was white. I need a brush to like comb this out. I don't know if it was this white, but like my hair products and stuff, I don't want it to like seep in there and then like it change a different color. But then again, I can wash it because it is easy to hand wash. I just don't do it that often. I need to clean these actually. I should clean these and then brush it. Anyway, but these are so adorable. Oh my gosh. And you can like spread it out like that. Oh my goodness. I haven't bought ears for myself in a long time. And I was like, you know what? I am due for some new ears. I need to buy some more. So like at Black Friday, I just went crazy. I bought ears. Yeah. It's cute. Okay, now here's another one. This one came in a bag. What's up with that? Okay. So let's go. So I was gonna, because I didn't know what it was at first, so I opened it a little bit and I was like, oh, these are my ears. I'm gonna wait till I unbox them. So I haven't seen them fully, but, and these are different. So let's see how they go. They come like that. It's 2 of them. It's 2 for 1. All right, let's see what we got here. It's so loud. So these are deer antlers. So they look like that. I've been keeping my eye on these for a while because I was like kind of on the fence with them. I don't know if they like, if they'll look like cute on me or whatever, or if they're good enough for my head. I'm very picky with my ears. So let's see. Oop, did I just break that? The feel of it feels so fragile. It's okay. It's different. I like that it's different. I don't know about this butterfly here. I might take that butterfly out. I'm not feeling the butterfly. I saw another pair of like tree headband ears, and they came to like up here, and it was black, and it was pretty, and I was going to get it, but I was like, how am I going to get in and out of the car? I don't want to have to keep taking my headband off and then put it back on and taking it off and put it back on, and then like doorways or something, because it's really tall, and I'm already a tall person. I'm 5'10" without my heels, and then I wear my boots, my leather boots, which are gorgeous. Like I got it for Christmas last year, and I just love them. It's so comfortable. And when I put on my boots, I'm probably like what, 6 feet, maybe? Yeah, like 6 feet tall when I have on my boots. So I won't be able to get the doorways. I have to keep ducking my head. That's not a life I want. Okay, so here's this one. You know, I'll wear these, you know. Knowing me, I'll probably just keep like these ears and maybe like shave this down a little bit and just take off that butterfly. Maybe. Knowing me, but I do like the ears. They're cute. They're little. They're cute. All right, let's see the next one. The last one. That's not a good start. I feel like these are the wrappings comparing to the other ones. Feel like it's like a wholesale place that puts everything in those very big plastic bags. You just sell them wholesale, comparing to the other two that has this nice elegant box, and you just open it and just reveal your beautiful ears. These usually have to like scrunch out, and not feeling that. Okay, so these are woodland ears. I just made that up. And these are okay. It goes like that. Again, I'll get rid of the butterfly. I mean, I like butterflies, but it's just, I don't want it to be too cutesy. That's what I don't want. I mean, I like it for it to be cute, but not cutesy. It's the difference. If you don't understand the difference, then you're not an only child. I mean, you don't have time to think of these words and think of differences between same sounding similar words. These are okay. I mean, you know, I'm not crazy about them, but like I said, these are different. I'm used to like actual animal ears where there's like a cat or wolf or fox or mouse, or even like a panda or a koala or a bear. I'm used to those type of ears, so these are like throwing me off. I'm not really excited about them, but I will wear them just to get the hang of them. So I'm not going to sell them too short. What my favorite ears are so far, I don't know. It's either between these and these. They're both so cute. But these, I don't know. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm just going to end the video with these because, and I like how the hair comes all the way down to my ear. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These might be my favorites. I think so. These might be my favorites. I don't know. Okay, if you're still... I'm still rambling on. If you're still here watching the video, thank you. I appreciate you and for listening to me just going on and on about ears and my love of them. Okay, that's the end of my video. I need to get in the shower and do my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and my new subscribers, welcome and welcome. I talk about any and everything, whether it's hair products, hair reviews, hairstyles, or anything random that I just have pop in my head and I want to talk about, like unboxing animal ears. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and put a thumbs up to this video, and any comments below you want to talk about, just shoot me a message. I'll shoot you back. And until next time, bye.